Hey everybody, Mike from Master Appliance Repair here with another exciting appliance repair video. Today I'm working on a Samsung dryer that the customer said when they pressed the button that nothing happened. So I already have it disassembled just to save time here, and I wanted to show you exactly what's going on. So I'm going to turn the camera around and turn my light on and show you exactly what I found. So if you look here, right here, this fuse and this thermostat, I actually call it thermistor, are sitting on the blower housing. This is the blower where the exhaust goes out, and in that situation, that fuse has blown, and the thermistor needs to be changed out, which is causing this thing to not turn on whatsoever. Reason being is a couple of reasons. One, venting could need to be cleaned out. This particular dryer has a pretty long vent, and I'm sure there's lint built up in it, or the customer possibly could be overloading it. Those are usually the two big reasons why this would happen. So I'm going to change those out, put this back together, and get the customer up and running again. If you need appliance repair, I do offer a free service call with any completed repair, and I can get you in relatively quick. You can text me at 716-491-5691, or you can visit my website, masterappliancerepairwny.com. I also have a YouTube channel, Master Appliance Repair, that you can catch a lot more of these videos as well. I wish you peace and prosperity. Have a great day.